Recently, I've often heard sound of pheasant, voice of pheasant, their squeaky voice. It's interesting. It's, I can say, rather strange sound. It is definitely pleasant for me listening to small birds are singing. Then I wonder why pheasant making such a noise at the risk of his life. It's so obvious. When he made noise, drawing attentions, usually male pheasant making noise, and when he make noise, it's so obvious where he is, easier for people to find him, and definitely taking risk for him to get shot or to be caught. Yet he is still making a sound. They said, through making noise, he is attracting female. It's an instinct. He can't help making noise because it's his instinct, even though he knows it's quite a big risk. After learning about male pheasant instinct, whenever I heard his voice, I felt deep admiration. Our uniqueness, our unique voice, always here and now, wanted to be merged, wanted to be expressed without suppression, because it's our instinct, it's our guidance of universe, intelligence of universe that we are, is focusing on this physical body, physicality, in order for it to be expressed, in order for it to experience in unique way. Moment by moment, universe is nudging and speaking, wanting to be immersed through this body, wanting to make a unique voice when we are aligned with this moment, when we are aligned with this energy. Emerging from now, we don't have any temptation of thoughts such as, it is weird, or it is strange, or it might cause some trouble, it might lose something, and so on. When we are aligned with the present moment, there is only celebration, there's only sureness, there's only joy, because it is effortless, because it is natural state of our being, because it is always path of least resistance is guided. From the point of pheasant making such a noise, even though taking risk, it's a path of least resistance. It seems like such a brave action from the perspective of human, but actually, from the pheasant point of view, is so natural and effortless, and even celebration and joy. Their voice was so bold, echoing around and reaching far away. As far as we are aligned with this moment, things and stuff and the result and so on doesn't matter. In other words, outside world, physical phenomena doesn't matter because we know what's relevance is what's emerging in the moment. What's relevance is this joy of living in this moment. What's relevance is ecstasy of now.